Hello, in this short video I'm going to present to you our recycling and waste management system created in .NET for the company called Salling Group. Right now we are in the landing page of our application where you can see the title as well as a login button where we can click it and be navigated to the login page. We already have some example credentials, which are actually the manager's credentials in this application. I'm gonna just write them quickly so I can log in, and after a successful login I am redirected to our dashboard where I can see different charts showing us specific information on a couple of metrics like CO2 emissions over the last 7 days, or waste type distribution, or even waste collection trends. These charts can be used by Salling Group's employees to make informative decisions on waste analytics and waste management in the Salling Group warehouses. On the left, you'll see a navigation menu where we can change pages. I'm going to click on the second page now. So here we have a more detailed representation of the waste reports as well as a waste analytics chart specifically for the CO2 emissions, as this is the most concerning part of the Salling Group company. And we are able here to filter the days that are shown on this chart. And if we scroll down a bit, we'll be able to see the waste reports, like the specific waste reports in detail. Like for example, the first one, wood, which is in the facility of incineration, which with the specific amount, and so on. And the last page is about the recycling tips. Here, these are tips that are provided by us, which the Salling Group employees can use to make more informative decisions on how to sort trash, or yeah, just be more careful how they sort trash. Of course, they can check the boxes to know which tip they have already used, and at the end of the day, the application automatically unchecks these boxes, so Salling Group employees can revisit them and apply them in the new working day. On the top of our application, you'll also be able to see two different buttons for adding new waste reports, which we saw already here, and a button for the user's profile. Let's click on the new waste reports button. We are represented with a pop-up model, which will provide us with inputs for adding a new waste report. I just quickly add one for plastic with 65 kilos, and let's do a date for tomorrow. So let's submit it, and we are going to be ready to the dashboard so we can see what has changed in our company or in our system. So our system shows us that we are already going up with the CO2 because we just added a new waste report for tomorrow, as well as these charts also show us that plastic has gone up a bit. Let's go to the waste analytics and see our newly added recycling, plastic recycling report. This report can also be edited. Let's say that we have actually missed the waste amount of kilos. It should be different. We can edit it, and again a pop-up where we can edit. So let's add even more, So save the changes. Oh, and again everything changed. Like everything should be plastic. Of course, not everything is plastic. We don't have 6 million tons of plastic. And let's just say that an employee made this mistake. We can easily delete it from the menu again. we are asked if we are sure we want to delete. Of course, this is to prevent from accident deletion of the report, but we are sure, and everything has fixed, as you can see. At last, let's check the manage users page. I have logged in as this user, so you see a chart with the different users that will be able to log in here, like employee or like two managers. We have two managers here. As a manager, I can add new users, also edit again like the previous pop-up with the report, or delete a specific user. Of course, I don't want to delete anyone, and to keep this video short, I'm not gonna add a new user, but this button allows us to add new users. Of course, regular employees don't have access to this page, and only managers can do this. So at last, I'll just log out from my profile, as I have already done my job with this system. So that was it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it very informative.